Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Python 3 Fundamentals video series, and in this video we are going to take a look at a code demo of the data types that we learned and also the input and output. So stay tuned and come, let's get started. So in this video, I'll be using the primitive types int, float that we used, and then the data type conversion, input, output, print function, everything that we learned in the previous videos. We will use all those things and take a look at our demo. So I have opened up the Visual Studio Code and we're going to see age calculator demo, and I have created a file called agecalculator.py. That's a Python file. So the first thing that we will do is let's get the current year and month from the user itself. Okay, there are better ways to write, but this is just to use what we learned. We are not going to use anything extra from Python. So we are going to use input, and then whatever they are going to type, we are going to convert into the integer, because anything that is input is a string. Once you convert and keep it into the current year and month, we will have the current year and month. Similarly, we are going to ask the user's year and month. Once you have that, we will do a subtraction of the current year minus the birth year and assign that to the age. Okay, so once you have this age is equal to these things, it will subtract the year and it will put into the age. The next thing that we will do is we are going to see the current month. The next thing is check if the user's birthday has occurred this year, like it has already crossed or not. If the current month is less than the birth month, then we subtract the age because the birthday has not come yet. Okay, but if it has already crossed, then they have already got that age, right? So that's what this logic is. So there's only one thing extra that I've used is the if statement. I will talk about an if. That's basically a condition. That will be the next video, but bear with me. We are going to just check a condition which will return a true or false. So current month less than birth month. If answer is true, we will subtract the age minus 1, and then finally you print the age. So we will print the age, but we will also say concatenation inside the print function. So UR space plus age plus years old. So it's gonna add all these things. Now when I run this, we will see what will happen. So I run this and we're going to get the age, the year, month, and all those things we will type. But stay tuned, look at that, we got an error. Why? Because age is an integer, it cannot convert it. We need to use a function called str. Str is a string function that will convert everything into string. Even if you put numbers, it will be considered as a string. So now if you start typing these things, and you will see the result, you are 33 years old. Okay, so you learned function, everything, and then we also saw a good demo. So you can also use another one called formatting. So F is something called formatting. If you put that in front of the double quotes, you can evaluate the age. All right, so now this means you don't need to use the string function. Instead, it is going to evaluate and automatically convert that into a string. So this is another way of doing it. So F means the format. It will evaluate the variable that is inside the parenthesis. Okay, that's it. Now let's run this and see if we get a similar answer. So 2023, current month is 08. I just put by mistake 185. It's gonna give you more years, but that's okay. Let's run one more time. Let's put some proper value. 2023 September, 1998 somebody was born on June and his age is 25 years old. See, so I'm giving you different flavors, so you learn so many things in all the videos, and you will get stronger and stronger as you learn more things. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Happy coding!